Let's go. That's so sick.
Oh, they want me to run. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
The one and only Wood Fire Witt.
Feels like a roller coaster. I can't see very well. So you gotta tell me when you're getting close. Oh my god!
No way!
Stop!
No!
Oh,
No!
oh shit! Okay, this is hard.
Oh god.
I'm gonna my pants. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
To our death.
Never again. That was not okay.
That was dope. He was scared, I wasn't. No!
Oh,
No! Yeah, we're good, I think. Let's go.
Looks sick.
That is cool.
It's gonna look sick lit up.
Yeah, it's gonna be so sick though.
Nice boys.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be so sweet.
As executive kitchen manager of Wood Fire, what are some of the things that you look for when you see ticket after ticket after ticket? Like, what are some of the things you're like, okay, this is what's got to happen?
Just making sure we got the right pizzas in order for sure. If there's any special instructions or anything, make sure those aren't missed. Wings usually get missed quite a bit. Make sure the wings are in on time. Just try to keep it flowing smooth, you know.
Yes, sir. You're doing a good job of it.
So the people you're gonna ask you save?
I don't need to. Okay. Since you insist, Brett.
Is that a stick?
Yep. It's a nice little paddle save for your boy.
Nasty.
I did see that on Puck Prospects.
You're getting pretty good.
I know. I've been pretty good.
Daddy taught you well. Can you go frontwards, Josh?
We get stuck there.
Have you heard the news? The Wood Fire Pizza Shop has been blowing up.
We have giant expansion plans in the dining room and the backyard, bringing Detroit Lake something they've never seen before.
We've been putting a ton of work into our socials, posting videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube.
Our frozens have been on fire, selling upwards of 250 pizzas a week. But we can get that to 500.
And to top it all off, weather's getting nice again, so you know what that means. Breaking out the vans, ready to serve you guys some fresh and hot pizzas outside.
So come on into Wood Fire and see what all the hype is about.
We are back, baby. We are back. We are back. We are back.
The guy was really chill. I just had to show him like that I was confident in Wood Fire.
That's getting risky, too.
It's got some gold in here.
Jeez.
This is my bonus.
Shawn Michaels.
Yeah. We still got an order in.
No, this can't be on video. Alright, my name's Kale. Most of the guys here call me a Wood Fire Witt. I joined last year around June, and you know, ever since I've been hired, kind of like Mac, I'm kind of a jack of all trades, but I specialize in every single one.
Kale is talking about how good he is, and he's messed up more pizzas today than anybody else here.
So, I'm from Montana originally. I moved to Detroit Lakes in around 8th grade, and you know, it's been a blast. I've known Mac for a long time, played high school hockey together. A couple other kids on the team also work here at Wood Fire, and they're gonna be joining, so it's gonna be awesome. In the regular season, I play in Great Falls, Montana, play junior hockey. In the summer, I like to hang out with my friends, go to the lake, be with my girlfriend, you know, just be outside a lot, maybe hit the course, like golfing a little bit, even though I'm horrible. Quick little negative shout out to Jace Fields. He comes in here every day, gets a chicken bacon ranch, buffalo, doesn't ever tip. Brutal customer. We always make the pizza just perfect anyways. He's my good friend, and he owes me one anyways, so you should just keep tipping. My favorite Wood Fire memory is probably last year. We catered for Ben Roth's sister's wedding. Ben Roth's from the Seaboys, obviously, so it's pretty cool. Got to see a lot of cool vehicles and had a good time. They're really great people. You know, one thing I really wanted to get off my chest in this interview, you know, now that I've got a platform to speak about it, is everyone kind of talks fishing up like he's some hot shot, you know, like the best guy in the shop. But a lot of people really don't know is that, like, when I got back, Christian was so thankful. He'd been texting me every day, just FaceTiming me while he's in the shop, asking me questions like, how do I make this pizza? What's on the dill pickle? And, you know, I have to help him daily.
What about the olive incident earlier today, huh? What do you gotta say about that?
I have bad eyesight, and it's in light wording on the screen. So I just wanted to get off my chest. He's kind of, you know, taking my knowledge and making it look like he came up with it, like he's the shit, but really it's obviously me. Yeah. So
This Kale kid thinks he's all that, all big time and whatnot, but he's probably at the bottom of the Wood Fire food chain, and everybody knows it except for him. It's kind of embarrassing, but we'll just let him keep thinking he's doing a good job. I wish I was driving that thing. I don't even know what to do, but it'd be fun as hell.
Beeve, you could whip that, right?
Oh, easily. You kidding me?
Skid steers, loaders, you name it. I've done it all.
So huge. This is gonna be sick.
Wow, what do you think? So much room for activities?
So many activities.
Like, when it's all done and we're standing back here for the first time, it's gonna be so big.